Hi dear friends, how are you? This is Tariqul Islam comes again with a new episode of my continuous parenting series. You know that in parenting series I am discussing different issues related with our life in aspects of parenting, and you also know that I am now on a part 9 where I am discussing about the marriage stage and activities of the child. When the child grown up and ready to marry, on that time what should be approach of the guardians for the betterment of their child's life. That is my discussion topics, and now today I will discuss a interesting thing. You know that on last episode I discussed about the criteria, the factors you should be considered when you choose a bride for your son. Now, and I said that today I will discuss about the criteria or factors that should be considered for the groom of your daughter. There are a lot of criteria. It depends actually from country to country, culture to culture, family to family, even status to status, person to person. But I am not discussing in broad the all criteria. I will just focus the criteria that must be considered when you want to give arrange marriage of your daughter. What criteria should be prioritized? Especially we should prioritize some thing that we have to think about the condition of the daughter, because they have in our country's perspective and most of the countries perspective, they have to change the residence and they go to the husband's house or father-in-law's house and have to adjust a new situation. So it becomes a challenge for them, it very tough situation for them to be adjusted with the new area, with the new condition, with the new atmosphere, with the new peoples and surroundings. So if there are a huge difference of family structure, family format, family status, then it should be very difficult to cope with the new situation. That's why first of all you have to consider the status, family status and family type, culture, format, that should not be so many distinct from your family. That's why the social status distance should not be so high. Second important thing is the mentality. You have to judge the mentality of the probable expected family members of her husband, because it when she will go on a new environment, on that time if their mentality is not so broad, she may face a lot of problems. So that's why it should be confirmed that their mentality is broad to accept your daughter. Third important thing is the career of the boy, because when most of the countries are man oriented financial system, that means the financial responsibilities and duties is born to the man or the husband of the family. So if his career is not ensured or not quite well, it may create problems, financial problems in future or in recent times. So it is third important thing you have to consider. Sometimes we become attracted with the present situation and not consider the future probable situation. It is not the right thing, because sometimes some job or some employment may have present condition very well, but it has no future. So in future they may face some problems, some challenges. So it is wise decision to consider the family condition or his career in terms of a recent future or future aspects. Fourth important thing is the character of the boy. You have to consider it very carefully, because we find many cases that all three above mentioned points are okay, but due to his character or personality problem, there creates a lot of conflict with the in the conjugal life, and sometimes it is so deep, so many heavy that they should be departed. It is not possible for them to continue their conjugal life. So if you have to think his personality and his character matters, and the question is how will you get be informed about this issue. The best way is from his surroundings, where he lives, where he works, where he has read in the college, university. From that area if you find some information, it will be more authentic and more reliable, because the person who have met him for a long time, they will know about his condition. So it will be better for them to inform you, guide you perfectly. And there are many other things, but these four criteria are major criteria you have to consider, and whenever you will consider these issues perfectly, I think you will find a good solution guideline. So now I am concluding my today's video. Thank you very much for watching this video. I am welcoming you to subscribe my channel and watch my other videos. Thank you very much. Bye.